In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to release quiz scores in Google Forms. This feature is incredibly useful if you want your students or participants to receive instant feedback right after completing their quiz, making the assessment process more efficient and engaging. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start our journey together. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. It's vital to use the account that has access to the quiz you want to modify. This will ensure you can make all the necessary changes without any hiccups. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. This is your home base for creating and managing forms. Look for the section labeled Recent Forms. This is where you can find the specific form you want to release quiz scores for. Click on that form, and it will open up in edit mode, giving you full control over its settings and configurations. Now that your form is open, let's focus on the top toolbar where you'll see several options. Among these options, you'll find something labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll access all the important configurations that control how your quiz behaves and how results are shared with your participants. In the Settings menu, you need to navigate to the section that says Make this a quiz. If it isn't already toggled on, go ahead and flick that toggle switch. This is a crucial step because toggling this on transforms your regular form into a quiz format. This is what enables the scoring capabilities and all the grade release options that wouldn't be available otherwise. Next, still within the settings, look for the section specifically labeled Release Grades. Here, you'll encounter different options for when participants can view their scores. Click on Immediately After Each Submission. This setting is what ensures that as soon as someone completes your quiz, they'll instantly see their score along with any feedback you've configured. This way, they can get immediate results rather than having to wait for manual release or additional processing time. Now that your quiz settings are all configured, it's time to check that everything is working seamlessly. Head over to the upper right toolbar and look for the button that says Copy Responder Link. Once you find that, click on it and then hit the Copy button. This link is essential because it's what you'll share with your participants when you're ready to distribute the quiz. Let's test it out to make sure everything's functioning as intended. Open a new tab in your web browser and paste the link you just copied. This action will take you to the quiz exactly as your participants would see it when they take it for the first time. Now go ahead and answer all the questions in the quiz.